applying my employment visa 的嘛。Okay, dude, this box is not a good box. It's like really messy. Okay. We're gonna look at what we have in here. Like, please sort it out, please. Yes, my room is very small. I hope I'm not moving to somewhere smaller than that. Oh, I have a bunch of American chargers. But that's okay, I'll keep them. Cause my charger thing, it lets you charge everything. Alright, I'm just gonna... That's a charger. This one is... Okay, this is what I used for my old camera. Webcam, you know? And since I already sold that camera, I'm just gonna toss this. I should get a freaking trash bag. Let's let it in. Yeah, inlet. Am I moving? Yes, I am. I am moving. Okay, what is that? Oh, this is my thing. My stick. My new stick. So let's just like get rid of the trash, okay? Sticker. I don't think I want the sticker. This is just stickers, right? I didn't even look at it. Oh! Oh! That's kind of cute. Oh! What the hell is this? Can I throw this away, you guys? What is that? I don't want it. Do you guys know? I'll just toss it, yeah? If I need it, I'll like figure out what that is. Trash it, yeah. Okay. We have like tag, we have like a guide. No, we don't need that guide. We can just use YouTube. Invoice, it's okay. We don't need. What is that? What the heck are these? Does this come with the DJI? Probably not. Any ideas? Hey! Shield cover? This is PC trash. Okay, it kind of looked like a knife though. Can I like keep it for like cosplay? Okay. Trash. I need a trash bag. Can someone hand me a trash bag? Please. 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 Okay, this is cute. I keep it. I don't know what to put in it though. Any ideas? Okay, this. Oh my gosh. There's trash. There's some trash. I'll use that first. This one still has some of it. All of the hand sanities have a little bit left. Okay. What is that? For bra. Okay. I don't really use these. Oh, I need this. Oh my gosh. I literally need that. Okay. I don't use this. Should I just toss it? Okay. Toss. And what the heck is this? I don't use it. These commies. Trash. Pour all of them in one. That takes so long. Okay, it's okay. I will use them up. Don't worry. Okay. No, I don't think we need a trash bag. Here, we'll get one here. Get one from here. This will be our new trash bag. Okay, look, let's see what we have here. Yeah. Bro. What is that? 呢個係咩嚟㗎？保險卡。我唔要啊。Bro. Okay, yeah. I probably don't need to keep the Asian squad. I love it. I love doing it. Ooh, trash. Ah, it's the photos I took of my dogs that passed away. Oh my god, he's so ugly but so cute. Chihuahua. He passed away 2016. Ah! You know, last time I looked at these photos, I cried, and Miso just watched me. Miso comforted me. I think he also could tell it was photos of dogs. This is Gyu-Gyu. Gyu-Gyu baby. Gyu-Gyu baby. This is girl, this is boy. Okay, I'll keep all of these. I wanna die, bro. I miss them so much. He's a handsome boy. Yeah, I used to always call him handsome. 安安三小大. Yeah, like when we slept, he would sleep on my waist, and then after he passed away, like I remember I would feel his head on my waist. Like on the night I found out he passed away, that happened. Okay, I have like super old photos with like my friend. It's so bad. I look so bad. I cannot show you guys. And then we took a bunch of what are these called? disposal camera stuff. Oh my gosh, that's me. That's so scary to look at. Ew, these photos are so bad. I think, what the all of them's too dark, but I guess we'll keep them. And then I have these. It's me and Kumi. Is it cute? Oh my god, so cute. I already looked scared of her though. Like, I was so scared of her growing up. Oh my god, my friend's dog that passed away. Oh my fucking god. I wanna cry. Okay, this is my mom's. My mom's photos. What the fuck? Ugh. That's sweet. I know. He visited me. My mom stripped out though. No? Yes or no? Oops. My mom in China. Anyway. No, my mom was dripped out. For real. Great fashion. She used to have great fashion, dude. Like, she really did. She looked cool. Ew, these photos are so bad. Okay, I'm just gonna give these to my mom. Ask her if she wants some. Okay. Used to. Yeah, it really is used to. Oh, Jan, thank you. Thank you to your girlfriend. Jan's girlfriend. Thank you, thank you. I have a warranty thing. I don't need that. Dude. Oh, it's like getting kind of moldy, but this is like my friends got me this for my birthday. It's a birthday card. But like, what the heck? What the heck? Dude. It's a photo book. So cute. They wrote so much for me. I don't talk to these girls anymore. Oh my god. It's so funny. Which birthday? I think I was like 15 here or 16 when they gave me this. Oh, cute. Yeah, I was 16. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna keep this for show. It's so cute. Of course, keep. What do you mean? Hey, baby. So sad. That I don't keep in contact with them. Alright. I think this is from like my PC or some shit. No, I don't know what this is. Ugh. No, actually no idea. Should I keep them? Hi, Benny. Should I just like try to keep everything? This Hong Kong flat were really this small. Mine is already not the smallest, so you can only imagine how bad it is for some lonely dudes crazy around here. Where am I moving to? Either Europe or Southeast Asia or staying in Hong Kong. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, I have a bunch of like, dude. Yeah, coffin room real. Oh, I have a nail filer, but I don't need my nails done anymore. I'll throw this away too. I have nail polish. I kind of just kept them to like sniff them, dude. Like I used to use them, and then like I didn't throw them away. I didn't throw them away after I don't use them. It's for sniffing, okay? I have Elgato. Remodel the room in Hong Kong. It's too small though. Like, okay, and also my parents' room does not. Like my parents' house does not have internet, so I can't stream there. But we'll find it. We'll find some ways to do that. These are like lotion my mom gave me. The free ones from hotels. I'm just not gonna keep them. What is that? It's balls. My sister got me some balls to keep in the shoes, but I never used them. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put them in my shoes in a little bit. Maybe. You sniff the nail polish too? Bro, it be smelling good. Dude, also like remodeling the paint. The paint smells so good. Mmm. Why does paint smell so good? What is that? Do you guys know what that's for? I have 2 of them. Yeah, my sister always buys a bunch of shit for shoes. Like, for putting in the shoes. And then she would give them to me. And sometimes she would just directly put the balls in my shoes. And then I shove my foot in it and there's a ball in it. They broke the walls down for you, Ocean, to make your room bigger. Oh, that's the Ethernet cable. Okay. Let's keep on. Yes, let's keep on. I will be using them. This is like my streaming connection tools bag. Oh yeah, I think this is like the broken one or something. This is the broken one? No, it's probably the new one. Because I bought a pair. This is the new one for it. Is it the new one? Oh, I don't know. I mean, it's gotta be. We'll never see again? What do you mean? Posture check, thank you. Let's set straight. Oh my god, these are like from my ex ordered all of these for setting up my PC table. You know, like everything. I need to keep these. I don't know what he ordered. I have absolutely no idea what he ordered. Or maybe I ordered them. Anyway. Moon, are you trying to make me move to your house? Okay, this is my sister's. She bought so many of these, dude. The freaking fans for using when you go outside. She bought so many, dude. No one uses them. Okay? And because she bought so many, she gave me one. She's like, here, have this. Use it when you go outside. It's gonna be hot. No, I'd rather sweat than do this. I don't do like that. What do I do with this? Let's not waste it. Okay, we'll keep it. What is that? It's my old glassy. Oh, these are the good glass. Wait, no, these are for driving. These are for driving at night. I carried a fan with me to dream. No, I've never done that shit. Ew, these make me look like my grandpa, dude. Okay, but we'll keep them. It's important. Ew. Kind of chilly in here, you know. Okay, these are for my monitor. When we got the monitor, this bag kind of comes with it. So should I just keep the whole thing? Or what? What I do with it? Harry Potter. I don't want to keep them. Do I keep it? We have a video capture card. What cable is it? It's HDMI to HDMI. And then a bunch of trash. Throw it in the trash can. Yeah, I will keep this, but like, I don't know about these. Hoarding stream? Stop! Am I hoarding? I'm just keeping stuff for like streaming stuff, like cables and shit. Throw it away. There's a screw. Wait. There's a screw though. I'll keep the screw. Okay, the rest I toss. What? How? What? What is that? Toss. That's with my thing, this thing. You see my lamp? Muji lamp. Okay. Toss it. Toss everything, please. Screws, toss. What the hell is this? Oh! My leg. Oh! Moment of truth. No battery. Should I just toss it? Dude, this is literally the best Nintendo. Charge it. I don't have the charger, guys. Would you guys gift me the charger? Wait! I think I do. Okay, I don't. It's a special charger. I don't have it. Goddamn. Does anyone have the charger? No, sweet.